And we're off. So when they formed this thing up, nobody figured out there was a huge, gigantic hole and the concrete was going to pour out when they saw how wet this stuff was. These guys should have had some Flex Seal on them. They could have plugged that hole right up. What do you guys think? Could you stop that, or is this just a catastrophe? And we're off. This is a major concrete blowout. Can you imagine putting these walls in and pouring them and it blows out like that? What a nightmare. And then they're going to have these two guys shovel it into this bucket thing and lift it back up and put it back in. Look at this. They got to do that the rest of the day because somebody couldn't form it. Okay, we are off. I thought I saw it all until I seen this. This is the most insane concrete pour ever. Check out the slip and slide. This is when you're 2,000 feet away. Makes a left down to the slab. Pulled it with the come along. You're good to go. That's quite a water slide. Wow. And we're off. You got to give it to these guys. They got some ingenuity going on their side. I don't know about putting concrete on top of that framing they did there, but they got a self-contained concrete plant here with no Georgia buggies, nothing, no pump. They're just wheeling it. They have a batch plant going on downstairs there. This guy just walks it over, dumps it. They got 4 or 5 guys doing it. They got this cable system bringing it up there with this pot. You'll see in a second down here. Look at that framing down here. There's the batch plant. These guys are putting some work in. And we're off. I'm pretty sure this thing didn't get any inspection. Look at this blowout. Have you ever seen a blowout like that in your life? I wish I could have seen them poured that. No rebar, no compaction, no problem. Just pour it. Look at that, man. That is catastrophic. How do you fix that problem? And we're off. So these guys just made a chute. We're going to pour it down there. We're going to shoot into the wheelbarrow, and then we'll wheel it from there, so it's 5 moves. And all kidding aside, where do you get the apron this guy's wearing down here? I'd really like to get one of those so I could pour in that. A lot of these guys seem to have that apron on. It seems coveted. And we're off. Would you guys wheel all this concrete into this footing? They got no rebar in it either. They got wood stakes for their height and elevation, and they're wheeling this in there. Man, that's a lot of work. Would you guys do this? It looks like England when they show the house where their concrete work looks as bad as their teeth.